I'll give you a second example of neglect by the centre to Odisha. We give the centre, from our earnings from the railways, 20,000 crores. Guess how much of that is invested back in Odisha?
Is it 10,000?
15,000 crores probably.
So if they earn so much, then they would be spending all the 20,000 crores, right?
They spend 1,000 crores.
My God, we thought after BJP government it has been increased.
It's been increased from 1,000 crores to 1,100 crores. Odisha is the most neglected state by the railways, even after 72 years of independence. In fact, still, 7 of our districts are not connected by the railways. Injustice to Odisha is injustice to her youth and to their futures.